Hey, what's up everyone? Here for a quick pickup video and testing of this new GoPro camera. First things first, welcome to the man cave. First pickup is Jordan 1 High. Not a grail, but you know, Chicago, classic Chicago colorway. Into the Spider-Verse 1.0, still somewhat icy. Very nice, cool little details, little speckles from the Spider-Man costume. Up next, nothing crazy. Military blue, industrial blue. Jordan 4 has been killing it the past, what, 3 years, 2 years now? Pretty fire. And let's check what's on our feet. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Undefeated, baby. And speaking of, gotta double up on them, baby. Yes, sir. I don't know if y'all could see that. Suede, buttery. Very nice, man. It's a must-have for all the OG sneakerheads like myself. Yes, sir. Anywho, this is just a test video. First video with this GoPro. Peace.